what if something happened to you and nobody knew who to call? It only takes 1 minute to add emergency contacts on your Android phone, and it could make a huge difference when you need help the most. Let me show you how. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. If you're using a Samsung phone, you'll easily find a menu called Safety and Emergency. Go ahead and open it. Next, tap Emergency Contacts. This is where you can add the people you want others to contact in case of an emergency. Now tap Add Emergency Contact. Choose anyone from your phone's contact list. You can add your family, close friends, or anyone you trust. And yes, you can add more than one emergency contact. Once you've selected the contacts, tap Done. That's it. Your emergency contacts have now been added successfully. For even quicker access, turn on Show on Lock Screen. This lets first responders or anyone helping you see your emergency contacts without needing to unlock your phone, making it much easier to reach the right person when every second matters. And that's all there is to it. A simple setting that only takes a minute, but could be incredibly important in an emergency. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.